Good day everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Philip Ayan, and we are the group 7 and our given topic is the collections regulations in Rule 11 to 12. So Rule 11, application. So these rules in these sections apply to vessels inside of one another. So as you can see, there are two pictures. In your left side, it is a restricted visibility, and in your right side, it is clear visibility. So either it is restricted visibility or clear visibility, it is important to having a proper lookout. So dapat po talaga makikita natin ang kanilang barko at ang barko natin pareho to prevent collisions at sea. So Rule 11, it is a part of Colregs which were established to prevent collisions at sea and promote the safety of navigation, and these rules are internationally recognized and followed by mariners worldwide. So we were going back in accordance with Rule 3. So what is the Rule 3? Rule 3 is a general definitions. In Rule 3, paragraph K, it states that to be in sight of one another. So dapat po talaga natin makikita ang kanilang barko at makikita din nila yung ating barko para iwas disgrasya sa dagat. So, and also, we observe visually from the other vessels. So, vessels should be deemed to be in sight of one another, only can we observe visually from the other. So, the term observe visually means that the other vessel is observed by naked eye or binoculars. So, dapat sila makikita yung barko natin through naked eye or binoculars. So, 'di ba sa barko meron tayong telescope or the binoculars, or at kahit walang binoculars, it is a if if it is a clear visibility, it's a we use naked eye to prevent collisions. So this is an example. This picture is a clear visibility. So kahit clear visibility ba yan, hindi tayo magkampante. Kahit clear visibility or di mo makikita yung mga sailing vessel kasi kahit nasa malayo, hindi natin alam merong sailing vessel or fishing vessels. So dapat po talaga natin gumamit ng binoculars or we use our naked eye visually para makikita natin yung barko sa unahan. So in Rule 12 will be discussed by Rigel Emphasis and Melvin Fahanilag.
So the Rule 12. Rule 12 is a sailing vessel. When two sailing vessels are approaching one another, the following rules apply. So A. When both vessels have the wind on different sides, the vessel which has the wind or the port side shall keep out the way of the other. So practical implication of Rule 12 sailing vessel. So sailing vessel being inherently dependent on wind for propulsion, so often require additional attention and adherence to Colregs to ensure safe navigation. The practical implication of Rule 12 include the vigilant lookout. Sailing vessel must be maintain a vigilant watch to detect and respond to potential collision risk. So communication. Effective communication including sound signals is essential for avoiding collision, especially in conditions of reduced visibility. So right of way. Sailing vessel must understand their right of way and responsibilities when encountering other vessels such as power-driven vessels, fishing vessels, and vessels not under command. So B. When both vessels have the wind on the same side or one has the wind, the vessel which is to windward upward shall keep out the way of the vessel which is to leeward or downwind. the conclusion about sailing vessels. So Colregs outlines critical regulation and responsibility for sailing vessel to navigate safety and avoid collision. Understanding and adhering to these regulations are fundamental for sailors and mariners to ensure the safety of their vessels, crew, and other by at sea. By following Rule 12, sailing vessel can contribute to safer and more efficient maritime operations.
If a sailing vessel with the wind on the port side sees a sailing vessel to windward and cannot determine with certainty whether the other vessel has the wind on the port or starboard side, the former shall keep out of the way of the latter. When a sailing vessel with the wind on the starboard side sees a sailing vessel to leeward and cannot determine with certainty whether the other vessel has the wind on the port side or starboard side, the former shall keep out of the way of the latter. When a sailing vessel is approaching a power-driven vessel, the sailing vessel shall keep out of the way of the power-driven vessel. These rules are designed to ensure safe navigation and prevent collisions between sailing vessels and other vessels. It's important for sailors to understand and follow these rules when operating in areas covered by the Colregs. That's all. Thank you.